In this video, we will discuss about distance and displacement. This car moved from point A to point B. We can say the distance is 100 meter. Distance is a measurement of length between 2 points. Then we can add another road sign here to show the direction. The car again traveled from point A to point B. Now we can say the car traveled at a distance of 100 meter in the east. 100 meter in the east. This is an displacement. Rather than a distance, due to adding direction, displacement is the overall change of position. Overall change of position. So, displacement has direction. Due to displacement has direction, it is a vector. Distance does not have direction, so it is a scalar. Displacement is a vector and distance is a scalar. Here, again we are adding extra midpoint. Extra midpoint we are adding here. Now again car back to point A and travel from point A to point B. And it backs up here and stand in midpoint. First, it travel at a distance of 100 meter and back at 50 meter. So, totally 150 meters. 100 meter plus 50 meter is equals to 150 meter. Now, we see displacement. However, by comparing its starting position lie here and finishing position lie here. Starting position is A and finishing position at the midpoint. Now we can say the displacement is 50 meter east. Now we have another example here. A man is running in 400 meter race. It is one round around the track. Now what will be the displacement? Here the displacement is 0 because the starting point and ending point is same. Starting point and ending point is same. So there is no change in the direction. So no change in direction or position. So the displacement is 0. If there is change in the position, that time only we will get a displacement. There is no change in the position, displacement is 0. Now we will see the speed. Consider two objects. Two objects moving in a same path. Now see which one is moving faster. Compared to object 1, object 2 keeps chasing behind and we say speed of object 1 is greater than speed of object 2. Speed is a physical quantity. Speed is a physical quantity. Tells us how fast something is moving. How do we define it? In order to know the speed of the object, we should know two things. First, the distance, then the time taken by the object to move. Now see here, a car is moving in a straight line. Can you tell me type of motion it's undergoing? Since it's moving in a straight line, it is a rectilinear motion. That blue car takes 30 seconds to cover that road. Then again one red car is chasing it and it's take 40 seconds to cover the same distance. Now tell me which one is moving in a greater speed? We can say blue one. Blue car travels in a speed of 30 seconds.
Intuition, we can say that the blue-colored car was traveling at a greater speed than the red one.
So red one is lesser speed. Next we will see about acceleration. We travel in a car by applying the brake. We push forward. We can take right turn. We push towards the left. In these all situations we are accelerating. We travel by bus, car or motorbike.
we have
So velocity
acceleration.
changes,
I
acceleration
still haven't defined
exists.
what acceleration is.
It means
I just
velocity
told you
changes,
that
there
when
will be
velocity changes,
acceleration.
there will be
There is change in
acceleration.
velocity, acceleration
Okay, let me give
exists.
you two
Okay, let's
examples.
give you two
In the first
examples
one,
in the
a car is
first
traveling
one.
in
A
a
car
straight line
travels
at a
in a
constant
straight
speed
line
of
at
80
a constant
kilometers an
speed
hour.
of 80
And in the
km
second
per
one,
hour.
a plane
In
is
second
traveling in a
example,
straight
an
line at a
aeroplane is
constant
traveling
speed
at
of
a constant
1000
speed of
kilometers an hour.
1000 km per
In which
hour.
case do you
In
think
which case do
acceleration
you
is
think
involved?
acceleration is involved? In which acceleration is
None.
involved?
In
None. In both
the
cases, velocity
is
is
not
not
changing at
changing.
all.
Hence, there will
Hence,
be
there will
no
be no
acceleration in
in
either of the
the
cases.
cases.
Most of the
Most
people
people relate
telling that
acceleration to high
acceleration
speed,
means high
and that's
speed,
clearly not true.
but it's not true.
Acceleration will
Acceleration
only
only
exist when there
exists
is change
when
in
there is
velocity.
change in
Do
velocity.
you